Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install USAA mobile app for card spending summaries, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device if you're using an iPhone. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store instead. In the search bar, type USAA and press search. Look for the official USAA mobile app in the search results. Ensure the app is published by USAA Federal Savings Bank to avoid any unofficial versions. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Next, click the Install button to begin downloading the app. Allow the app to install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the USAA app icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. If you are a new user, select Register to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a username and password. If you already have an account, simply tap Login. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Here you can view your card spending summaries. To set up notifications for spending alerts, go to the Settings menu. Select Notifications and choose your preferences. For additional features, explore other tabs within the app. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help section or customer support. This will ensure you get the most out of your USAA mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.